Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Residents of Apamini in Mbwakara community in Port Harcourt City are calling on the Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC to rehabilitate the Apamini Phase 2 road that was left out during the construction of internal roads within the area some 12 years ago. Residents who spoke to Inside the Niger Delta crew recently said the deplorable state of the road has made life difficult, especially during rainy seasons.
Apamini is predominantly a residential area that borders Rumokuta on the right and Mbwakara on the left. 12 years ago, Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC constructed the Apamini Phase 1 road and installed 4 transformers to the community. However, Apamini Phase 2 road was left undone. Residents of the area say plying the Apamini Phase 2 road has become a nightmare. They therefore called on the intervention agency to revisit the area and rehabilitate the eroded and abandoned road.
We appreciate NDDC for doing the Apamini road, the one side of the Apamini road, which we are calling on them again to help us for the second side of the road.
May NDDC come for our rescue, because if rain, mostly if rain for year, you know if you pass here, everywhere go let in a flood. We need them, make them come, make them help us, so that this Mbwakara as a whole, we could fit make use of this road. At least it go dey more shorter for we to reach Ebelu and Obogoro, all those sides.
Some landlords in the area lamented that tenants hardly stay, as they most times forgo the balance of rent paid to look for better accommodation where they have good access roads.
You can see there is a lot of erosion. The houses, the erosion have started affecting some of the buildings. That they should come and help us.
We have suffered so much for a long time. Since I built here, the street has been the way it is.
In similar visit to Kenan Road, Rumokuta off Apani Phase 2 road, residents also shared their ordeal while commuting on the untarred road in the area, while calling for the intervention of the NDDC.
I want NDDC to come and do something for the road so that it will attract people to come and live in this area.
Most recently, the Light of the Niger Delta project has given a facelift to major streets across the Niger Delta with solar-powered streetlights and the completion of link roads connecting streets and communities alike. In the other areas visited, where road and streetlight projects have been completed by the NDDC, residents say their living conditions have greatly improved as they now enjoy commuting on the road.
Inside the Niger Delta,